Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Great to be here once again. How are you all? Well, we're getting ready, of course. We're getting ready because it's not long before the RIVIAN IPO. We've been preparing for it all day. The biggest IPO in a decade. One of the biggest of all time. Absolutely fantastic. Here is the portfolio. Been falling throughout the day. Down 0.5%. We've seen some sell-offs. Virgin Galactic's had a great day, but Tesla's had a few sell-offs, trying to influence the market, getting people to sell and buy back and all the rest of it. Anyway, all that said, let's get straight into it. If it's your very first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is the live studio, and subscribe and ring the bell for the very first time. If you've not been here before, subscribe, ring the bell. We're live every morning and every evening, the opening and closing bell. Give us a thumbs up. That always helps the video. We're only just 10 weeks old this week, and we've grown from 0 to 1,600 subscribers in such a short time. Absolutely great. We're back our second day. We've been gone a month now, and we're back again ready for season 2. So anyway, let's get straight into the charts. Let's see who's already with us. Okay, so let's go over to the main screen here. As you can see, my portfolio is just down slightly, 55,804, just down very, very slightly. And on the trading screen, there you go. We'll go through the portfolio right now, but let's welcome everybody in. Listening on the news, it's big. There's Bill, great. We've got Dr. Nathan Smith is here as well. The Queen of Self-Braiding is here. Baby Games is here. Graphics card, wow, what a great start. We're straight off the gate and everybody's already here. Absolutely fantastic. This is absolutely great. We are really getting busier and busier every day on this channel. It's so exciting. Right, let's have a look first of all at the position right now. So we've moved down slightly today. Rolls-Royce been going sideways all day. There you go. There's my Crocs one. I'm down like 68 cents. I bought one there today for a bit of fun, but hasn't made any money just yet. Let's give a bit more light on that a little bit. There we go. There we go. That's a little bit better, right? Okay. In fact, I'm going to just check something a minute. No, I'm not. I'll do it later. I've got a funny feeling something's not quite right there, but it'll do. It'll do for now. Maybe it's my eyes. It feels a bit different. All right. Tesla's been going down all day. I bought that's exactly what's happening. That the fear of Elon Musk selling his position has freaked everybody out, and people are selling because they're worried that once he does, the price will dramatically drop. It is a bit frustrating, but it is what it is. What can I say? It's been happening all day. What can I say to it? It's very frustrating. I don't know why, but nevertheless, that's a bit better. I just made a little tweak there to my camera. I don't know if you noticed that. That was very subtle, right? You hardly noticed it. Okay, so all day long, people have been selling out of Tesla, and I bought the dip. I didn't want to buy too much of it because I want to keep my powder dry for tomorrow. But nevertheless, it's been dropping all day, so it's a bit frustrating. But that's fine. Let's look at SPCE. SPCE's had a fantastic day today. If you bought the pop, it's been absolutely great. Up 5.5% right now. Absolutely great. Robinhood has been down 3% all day. I'm just down 1% on that one, waiting for the wallets to come out. Imminent. We don't know when. Of course, this is Robinhood. Vlad Tenev is a little bit. Vlad Tenev, right? He's a bit frustrating, but there it is. Lucid has been down but slightly increasing. Everyone, you can sense the market preparing for tomorrow. 67,000 now. There's Bitcoin. It was as high as 68 today. I missed that. Look at that, 68, just over 68 today. Absolutely great. That is now I've got a 62%. Gain on that one now. It's now 14.5% of my portfolio. Not bad at all. Anyway, Johnson & Johnson is down. Apple is up slightly. Coke is up slightly. Disney is... Let's have a look at Disney. Disney. Come on, Disney. Down very slightly. Google is down slightly. McDonald's is down slightly. PayPal is down awful today, another 11%, down 31% now. I'm glad I've only got one share in this. PayPal seems to really be struggling. I've no idea what that's all about. Boeing, have we got any lift on Boeing at the moment? No. Okay, right. Let's get into it. We're getting ready because tomorrow morning, we're very excited about it. I hope you've all prepared well. I hope you've all got money on the side. Bill, thanks for all your texts. I'm working on your portfolio. I'm working. Oh, this is the mug. You're all going to be getting one of these. See that? Look. You're all going to be getting one of these mugs. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. Courtesy of our friend here today. He's buying everyone a mug. Absolutely awesome. Right, let's go over to some news. We covered this earlier today, but just want to recap for those of you that didn't catch it. Here we go. Let's play a little bit of this. This is very, very important. Are you prepared? Do you have your money ready to go?
And what could be the most anticipated IPO in the electric vehicle world since Tesla. Phil LeBeau joins us right now. He's got the details on this, and there is a lot of hype around this and a lot of money, too.
There is a lot of money, Becky, and don't be surprised. They've already raised the range on this IPO. Don't be surprised if this runs. Because once it starts trading tomorrow, I've talked with a number of executives in the auto industry. The level of anticipation and how much excitement there is around Rivian, we haven't seen this in a long time. So let's bring everybody up to speed in terms of what the IPO will come out as. Remember, the pricing is after the bell today. Previously, the range was $57 to $62 a share, now $72 to $74 a share. And the valuation is now up.
And we should know what the valuation is in about 20 minutes. When the bell goes, we should find out. So let's keep our eye on Google and keep our eye down to see what that valuation is. I tell you what, it's gonna pop on the day. I'm sure it. Do I need over $1,000 for the IPO? Do I need? Yeah, you invest as much as you want. I mean, I think each share is going to be around about $100 when it pops. It's going to go up quickly, though. If you are Baby Games, if you have, Baby Yodo, if you have a brokerage that allows you to buy fractional shares, like Robinhood does, then you'll be able to. Then you'll be able to buy what you need. You know, you can buy $100 worth. You don't need $1,000 for anything. You can buy whatever amount you're comfortable with, what fits your portfolio. Don't try and follow everybody else or do what's right for everybody else. Do what's right for you, and you can invest what you want. But if you don't have to buy a full share of anything, okay? Oh, that's good for absolutely. You do not need $1,000. You could invest $1 million. You can invest $1. It's entirely up to you. Yeah, just it's whatever you're comfortable with is right for you. And it's also about a balanced portfolio. You don't want all your money in one thing, right? So you balance it out. Everyone's portfolio is slightly different.
To $65 billion. Let's put that valuation into some perspective with either EV startups or established automakers that are out there trading right now in terms of their market caps. You've got Rivian coming in.
Let's have a look at some breaking news. I've just got some news coming on Twitter right now. So let's have a look at it. Let's go over to Twitter and have a look. This was posted just a short while ago. Rivian, keep the world adventurous forever. See, they're focused on their trucks right now, which does worry me a bit. But at the end of the day, Amazon will show them the way. Amazon will show them what they need to do. I will invest £2.20. £2.20. Why £2.20? All right. Okay, so just come out. Rivian is saying its IPO is likely to price above range at 72, 74. It's creeping up. It's creeping up. I mean, they want to get as much for their shares as possible when it opens. Because remember, that's how the company make money. That's why they're selling their stock to make money. So they're not going to give it away. But we'd love it to be lower, but that's how it goes. Which would be the highest which would be the 7th biggest US IPO on record. Rivian could raise more than $10 billion and exceed a $70 billion market cap. That compares with a valuation of 27.6 in January. This is just now come out on Twitter. So we've got stuff going on. I wonder if we could actually go to Rivian's page itself, what they're talking about. Keeping the world adventurous forever. Let's have a look. Have they got anything they've just recently posted? No, they're keeping quiet. There's nothing they've put on their thing, on their Twitter page, look, for a while. So not a lot going on there. Rivian raised its IPO price range and could now be worth $65 billion. It's gonna, whatever it goes for, I'm going to buy the price, whatever it is, because remember, it's not the price, it's the valuation. I missed the price that it will be. It's moving up. Listen, Bill. If you're like me and you're not in the pre-IPO, I would suggest it will be somewhere over $100. Hopefully, Dr. Nathan Smith is here today, and he is going to get the pre-IPO, and he could be in on the chat with us and telling us where he is, because we could be getting some inside information, because if he gets his pre-IPO, he will be telling us what it opened for. But really, we can't do anything with that information. It's just good to know, right? But about an hour and 15, hour and a half after the pre-IPO, if Dr. Smith gets it, that's when we'll be able to trade. So it'll be a very, very exciting morning, I'm sure. Right, if you've just tuned in or you're watching on the replay, please click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. If you're over there on TikTok, you want to come and join us here on YouTube, click the profile link just here, click it again, and you'll come directly into YouTube, okay? Hi, mate. Was that Reese Moore? Reese Moore, how you doing? I'm crypto, strictly low-tex XRP. Okay, I'm only in Bitcoin. I think it's the only cryptocurrency you need. It's the most secure, the best. Everything else is a bit of a fad, a bit of a FUD. You only need Bitcoin as far as I'm concerned. I don't have a whole collection of other things. Bitcoin is all I'm really interested in. But if you are serious traders on TikTok and you want to be part of our show right now and see what I'm actually trading on, see the trading screens either side of the phone, which is what you're seeing me on, come and join us on YouTube. That's where you need to be. All right. And hello to all my friends on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, and YouTube, and multiple websites. We are trading now, watching what's going on, preparing for the morning. The market has dropped. I am down 1.24% today. I was at 57,000. Taking a bit of a drop. Rolls-Royce been trading sideways. Great Rolls-Royce. Crocs has been around about what I invested in today. Not done a great deal, but I do expect, though, the way that's going, just to give me some return. I'm up 4 cents on it, as you can see, but we'll keep our eye on that one. Tesla is continuing to drop, down 12% now. I want to buy. I like buying the dips of Tesla. I do, but I don't want to spend any money yet. I think it's too early. It could go lower when Elon announces his big announcement. So I'm expecting that to. Change. Keeping my eye on that. Let's bring this back in again. Let's have a look at this for a minute. That's better. And let's change that a little bit. Just doing some tweaks here while you're watching. Just doing a couple of tweaks, make sure everything's right for you. Since I got back from taking a break, there's been a few subtle changes that I've had to make to the system. There we go. That's a bit better. Okay. Let's go back to Hood. Hood, dropping down even more. Seeing a bit of a drop now. Let's go back to the Rivian IPO information, because we're keeping an eye on that, because in a minute, we got 15 minutes exactly. We'll know exactly what the price is going to be for tomorrow. Let's go over to this news story here.
potentially up to $65 billion. It would be valued more than the market cap of Honda, getting close to Lucid, and Ford is $79 billion. By the way, that Ford valuation, go back 6 months, it was far lower than that, probably down closer to $55 or $60 billion. It's really just taken off within the last 6 months or so. So for Rivian, we know so much about the R1T pickup truck, the electric pickup truck. We did a review with it where we had a chance to drive it, get a sense of what it's all about. They are expecting to deliver 1,000 of these pickup trucks this year. They have lost $994 million. They did that in the first half of this year. They've got 48,000 orders for the R1T pickup truck. The other part of the business that perhaps is not appreciated as much as it should be is Amazon. We're going to show you shares of Amazon and Ford. Both of them have a stake in Rivian. Amazon owns...
Was that, oh no, we need our mugs. Muzanella has decided to buy everybody a mug anyway. Everyone is getting a mug, no matter what Robinhood does. He's decided to buy everybody a mug, which is very, very decent of him, all right? So this is it here. This is the mug, and everyone is going to be getting one. So everybody on the YouTube channel, only the YouTube channel. If you're watching me on TikTok or if you're watching me on Facebook, you need to be on YouTube for this. It's special. It's about 19 people he's buying a mug, and they're going to be sent all over the world. So it's not a small thing. I will tell you that now. It's a very generous thing. He's very sure that it's going to go to 48, and I believe it will too. But it's very, very decent of him, I have to say. Very, very decent of him indeed.
20%. Ford has 12%. Many people I've talked with, guys, have said, look, if you're looking at Rivian strictly as an EV play, that's understandable. But you are discounting the impact and the potential growth with Amazon. They've got 100,000 electric delivery vans that they're already going to be, they're in the process.
This is what I was saying this morning. The biggest thing is actually not, remember, the biggest thing is actually not the trucks. That's the thing. Got to remember that. It's got nothing to do with the trucks. Everyone's getting very excited about those trucks. It's starting to drive me bonkers. They don't understand really what... I mean, I don't know. It's like everyone's obsessed with trucks in America. I don't know what it is. But... it's not what the IPO is about. It's the Amazon delivery vans. That's what it's about. Hello, Sander NL 1992. One of my music fans is here from the Netherlands. How are you, mate? Great to have you here. What had to go to 48? Robinhood's going to go to 48. Muzanella has got some contracts on it, and he said he'd buy everybody a mug if it reached 48, but he said do it anyway. I'm going to buy everybody a mug now. So I'm just setting the shop up. I didn't quite finish it today, and he is buying and delivering everyone a mug. Can you believe it? Absolutely amazing. I mean, like so good. I can't believe it. It's absolutely great. I thought when I bought the shop out, I'd sell one mug. Well, I've just sold about 19, but Muzanella has bought you all a mug. So it's very, very kind of you. But there is one proviso: you have to take a picture and send it into the show, so I can put it on the show. Absolutely brilliant. Wherever you are in the world, take a picture. All right. Sanders here. If you're watching us on the repeat, click subscribe and ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. Absolutely fantastic. Let's look at the investment today, coming down 1.24, slightly looking down. I'm looking at my stock app now. It sells it. Yeah, that's right. Bill said you can now get Robinhood, I believe, on your app. That's very, very cool. Okay, let's look at the trading screen and go back to our portfolio. Let's look at Tesla. It's still dropping. It's down 12%, now, dropping a bit more. If we go over to the actual chart, we can see. There we go. It's crossed. The lines are crossing now. Let's go over to it, have a look. Here, this is Tesla right now. You can see it's dropping. And if we look at that for a minute, I'm just looking at that chart and reading it a second. Bear with me. All right. I'm not too concerned about that at the minute. We're all waiting for Elon Musk. It is ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. The stock market is ridiculous sometimes. Oh, we've got 10 likes now. Fantastic. Get to 15 likes and blow the air horn. That's how we do it. Bill, Robinhood. Yes, HOOD is the one he's looking at. This is the one that is the brokerage, the brokerage that I actually use. And as soon as the wallets come out, this will pop up again. I'll show you if I look at it now. This is where we are. We're dropping now. If this drops any more, I've got 10 minutes before the bell goes. If this drops any more, if it gets to like 10%, I'll buy. Well, hang on. How low is it ever? What's the lowest it's ever been? The lowest it was July, right, 34. 34 is its lowest. So it's virtually, and what was it here? Yeah, 34.85. 34.85. So another $2. If we go any lower, I'll buy. If we get to 34, I'll buy some more. Tesla, buy the dips. Yes, indeed, Tesla, buy the dips. Just make sure that you've got your money on hand for tomorrow. You wouldn't want to spend all your money and then tomorrow you have nothing for Rivian. That's the thing. That's what I think is going on here. We've got a bit of a game here with Elon Musk. He's having some fun with everybody, letting everybody know he's about to sell his stock. So everyone's selling out, getting money on hand, and then buying these dips. They won't have any money tomorrow because if it doesn't pop back up again, you can't get your money back. That's what I'm concerned about. So be careful. Buy the dips is great, but don't take away all your money for tomorrow because you're gonna want some money on hand tomorrow. Muzanella is here. Here he is, the hero of the day. Everyone's been getting excited about their mugs. They're all getting excited about these mugs. I was doing the shop this afternoon. I haven't quite finished it yet. I was working on the shop, and I was also working on Bill's portfolio. He wants the list of my portfolio on Twitter, and I was working on that, and I haven't quite finished it yet. I've just realised I have to have 2 shops. Very, very annoying. Very, very annoying. I'm using Spring as the website I'm using, and I have to set up a. I can only have 1 link per YouTube channel, so I need 2 shops, one for Martyn Lucas and one for the day trader. Anyway, he's glad to hear it. He's very excited about it too. It's Santa Claus, Father Christmas. Everybody loves Muzanella, right? Lucid, there we go. Just moving up slightly. Harpoon. Today's a rubbish day, innit? Apart from Bitcoin, of course. Bitcoin is brilliant. We're up to 67,000. We were up to 68 earlier, but anyway. Artem Films. Hi, looking to move into this. Current investing in crypto. Hello, Artem Films. I think we got somebody new here. How are you? I think I saw you earlier on my TikTok channel. Have you come over from TikTok? All the serious people that are over on YouTube, they all come off TikTok. TikTok is where I find people, and they come to YouTube. Your logo looks familiar. Welcome, welcome. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. We're live every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. Martin Redding is here. I got out of Tesla at 1150 2 weeks ago, waiting for the pullback to 900. Hey, with Martin, it's great to have you here, Martin, by the way. Yeah, that could well happen. But I'm okay because I want to grow my portfolio of Tesla anyway. I came over from TikTok. I thought so. I thought I recognized your logo. That's the importance of a logo, right? We're all getting ready for the big IPO in the morning. So we're repositioning our portfolios and getting ready. Now, I bought one share of Tesla today, and I bought it at 1076. So I'm down $50. and it's still dropping. I don't like losing. I could sell that one share and take that $50 loss, actually, to put that money back in. But I don't know. I'm okay with keeping it there for a while anyway. Artem, you're from... where are you from? We've got a new member here today, everybody. Could everyone introduce themselves? Drop your countries and cities in and let us know where you're all from. Peter Brazier's here. Would you take profits on a little over 2 times or wait in case it goes higher? Would you take profits? It all depends on your portfolio and what your objectives are, what you're trying to do. Remember, I've grown this portfolio from 5 grand to 56. It was 57 this morning, and I don't put any money in. I just continually grow. Now, if you keep putting your own money in and then you're just buying more and more shares, of course your portfolio goes up. But if you want to grow a portfolio without putting any more money in than you started from, just keep profiting, you have to gain more shares. It's all about gaining more shares, right? It's not about the price, the current price. It's about gaining more shares. So as something goes up, take some profits, catch something else that has growth, take some profits. That way you can get free shares. You move it, constantly moving around. It's not about flipping or day trading or nothing like that. It's about investing and believing where you're going, but constantly reevaluating. I think that's the key to all of this. And it works for me, but what should I use to trade app-wise? I am in the UK. I use Robinhood. I know you can't use that. Because Robinhood's not available yet. It's going to come to the UK, but it's not right now. I can't recommend something. I won't lie and manipulate and make up stuff. I'll only tell you what I've got experience in. And I haven't used anything in the UK. I used Barclays Bank years ago, and that didn't work because I was paying to trade, whereas Robinhood is free, so I can buy and sell, and it doesn't cost me anything. Whereas Barclays Bank made money. I never made any money. It was a pain in the arse. So there are lots of brokerages in the UK, but I can't recommend any that because I've not personally used them. So I hope that's fair and honest. Okay, I'm making some money now with Crocs. We just bought 1 share today as a marker share. I always call my first share a marker share, just to sort of test the ground. Tesla is now down 12%. Remember, it's all about where the stock's going long term, right? This stock is going to go 3,000-4,000, so it doesn't really matter if it's gone down a bit. Take advantage to buy the dips, but remember what your objectives are. If, like me, you want to invest in Rivian tomorrow, you can't keep buying these dips because it will keep going down. You'll have no money left. You won't make any profit from it today. You can't get your money back out today, and then tomorrow you'll have no money to buy Rivian. So right now my buying power is $4,000. That's what I've got tomorrow to spend. It's a little down. I've been buying some dips and of course, whatever. But we've got 1 minute for the bell. 1 minute. I might do some after-hour trading. This could be very, very interesting now. If you've just joined us, the bell is about to go. So let's get ready for that. If you've just joined, click subscribe, ring the bell. Has everyone thumbed up the video? I hope you all have. Right, let's get ready for the bell now. There's going to be some action because the whole world is talking about Rivian. Matt Hacker, you could try Revolt, dead easy. Revolut. I've not used it, no experience of it. Matt, tell us all about it. Okay, here we go. 25 seconds to go, and then we'll get some after-hour trading. And let's see. Okay, here we go. 15 seconds to go. Bell's about to go. Robinhood just picking up. What's Space doing? Just holding there. Up 5% today. Great. Okay, let's ring the bell. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, let's get the scores. Who is the winner? Who is the day trader of the day today? Everybody put your scores in and where you ended up. Where did you end up today? Let's have a look, everybody. So let's go over to my portfolio, and I am down today 1.14. Does anybody beat me? To trade stocks and crypto, it's a legit bank account. Used it for 2 years for crypto. Fees are 1.5%. Yeah, I don't like that. The fact you got to pay 1.5%. I don't pay any fees at all for Robinhood. Matt, where are you based? Are you in the UK? Because that's what Martyn is talking about. They're looking for a brokerage in the UK. I wouldn't. I can't recommend anything because I've not used anything other than Barclays Bank, and I wouldn't recommend that. That's an old way of doing things. Okay. So I am down 1.16. Somerset. Oh, I'm from Cornwall. Truro in Cornwall. So there you go. Artem, you could try and have a look into Revolut, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm based now in Texas in the United States of America. And Coinbase, someone's mentioning on TikTok. Tell him to use Revolut. Thank you very much indeed, Ada. Thank you very much indeed. That's very, very good of you. Thank you. Up 2.4. Does anybody beat Martin Redding? So far, he is the winner. It's easy to use. Well, try it out. Much better than the morning negative 6. Are you up 6.88? Oh, I don't even need to wait. We know who's won tonight then. Up. Peter Brazier's up 3.8%. But Muzanella is up. This is how Muzanella can afford to buy us all a mug, right? That's how, because he's made a lot of money today. All right, let's congratulate him. Absolutely fantastic. Well done, Muzanella. You won the morning, you won the evening. Absolutely fantastic. Really, really good. I want to say something about people are asking advice in a minute. It's really, really important. Really, really important, right? Let's give him a great big round of applause. Oh, you're down. Sorry, you're negative. You're minus 6.88. I do apologise. I read that wrong. Okay, Martin Redding. I take it back. I take that back. Muzana's having a tough day today. Let's show some love to him because he's down. The actual winner today is Martin Redding. Oh, Peter Brazier has just come in 3.8. Do apologise. It's happening so quick now, all the chat coming in. It's Sam Hughes is here as well, just joined us, our Elton John tribute. So Peter Brazier, 3.8 is the winner. There we go. There we go. Sorry, Muzanella. Telling everybody you won there. Yeah, I was negative 13, so that's fine. That's fine. It's a great move up, so we're happy with that, right? Absolutely great. But congratulations to Peter Brazier. Whoop, whoop. Absolutely great. Maybe Peter Brazier should be buying everybody the mugs today. I don't know. Anyway, fantastic. So I've been setting up the shop all day with my portfolio for Bill in Canada. And this is the mug that everyone's going to get as a Christmas present from Muzanella. He said when Robinhood gets to 48, well, it hasn't done that yet. It's a way off because we're needing the wallets to come out. But he said, go ahead and do it anyway. I won just to be here. Yes, indeed. Right. I've been getting lots of messages today. Our channel is really starting to grow. People are watching it on the repeat. People are watching it on Twitter right now and Facebook and so on. And I got somebody messaged me from Trinidad and Tobago, and told me quite a sad story about they need to make some money and so on and so forth. What should I invest in? How much should I invest in? And I think it's really, really important. And if I have to repeat this every day, I will. Right, remember. I'm not your financial advisor, all right? You don't pay me for financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an entertainer, a musician. This is my journey. You're watching me make money here. What I do is right for me. It may not be right for you. You've got to do your own research and do what you're comfortable with. And I said the best way to learn is to follow this show, because you will not be influenced by anyone. You will not be lied to by anyone. You will not be sold anything. No one's going to try and sell you Bitcoin or some cryptocurrency that they're trying to promote or influence. We are just real traders, trading real money, real time, sharing our honest information with all of you, each of us. In fact, I think it may have been Martyn or John Brunette that put me on to Lucid. I knew nothing about Lucid. I've made $1,300 so far, and I know this is going to go to like $400 now. Now I've researched it. I think it was John Brunette. Am I right, Martyn, or was it Martyn? I think it was. I've made $1,300. So I've learned from you. You learn from me. I follow Graham Stepan, I follow Meet Kevin, I follow Cryptos Are Us, I follow BitBoy, God, all that nonsense, right? Some of it's great production, some of it is just, trying to sell you stuff. Sign up to my training program, do this, do that, God knows, it's all of it, but that's not what we do here. What I earn, other than my portfolio, which is great, I've made all this money, that's great, that's lovely, very nice. What I get out of it is the family, the community, and I know everyone feels the same here. It's why Musanel is here. It's why Dr. Nathan Smith is here. It's why many of you are here, to support each other. So I am now getting questions, and I'm asking everyone to come onto the platform and ask you, and we all share our opinions and experiences, and that's the only way to learn. But keep your own mind and do your own thing. How refreshing. Yeah, I know, mate, it's all, the thing is, with YouTube now, right, this channel has gone from 0 to 1,600 subscribers in like 9 weeks. It's the 10th week now. We took a month off, right? In a year, I could be at 100,000 subscribers. It could easily, with the amount it's speeding up. I'm able to influence the market. Well, I've got a responsibility now. I can't come on here and make up stuff just to make myself rich or look good. We can't do that, right? We got to do the right thing. And I just love the fact that you all tune in with me every day. I was blown away and humbled yesterday when I came back after that month break that you were all here on day one. I was like, bloody hell, I didn't expect I thought you'd have all forgotten me. Yeah, John Brunette was the one that put me onto Lucid. Bitcoin is now picking up. We're seeing a bit of a surgence now. In the last hour, we're up 1%. That's better. Up in the last hour, up $752. That's good. Bitcoin's making a bit of a resurgence now. That's good. My portfolio's rising. Let's go and check it on the app, see how it's looking. There we go. Oh, by the way, if you wasn't here this morning, you all need to wish Musanel a happy birthday. We did happy birthday for him this morning in the show. It was a lot of fun. It's a good day. It could have been worse. Absolutely. Well, Musanel understands that it's you take the up days, the down days. It's not a straight line up. Otherwise, none of this would work, right? You have to have the up days and the down days. I'm looking if I can in the after hours. Tesla is up 0.34. I'm looking if I can to try to. There's a little bit of buying just coming into Tesla in the after hours. I would like to sell one of my stock, one of my shares, put some more into. That's why I'm going to watch this until 5 o'clock. I'm going to keep my eye on Tesla. If I can get one more share out of this, I will. You have to go with the flow. Yes, you do. You have to go with the flow. Let's have a look. Let's get into this over here.
Of working on those. Some of those are already delivered to Amazon. Many believe that order is going to grow substantially in the years to come. And remember, Amazon doubled down on its Rivian investment. They're not going to cash out and walk away. They look at Rivian as a way to continue to grow when it comes to autonomous vehicles in the future, electric vehicles.
I've got people asking me over on TikTok, you can't see my trading screens. What I strongly suggest you do, only the 90% of TikTokers just scroll through, they're looking for naked ladies. If you are a serious trader and you want to talk to my fellow traders and friends and family here and see my trading screens and see what it is we're looking at and so on, click on the profile, click the profile again, click the YouTube link. Don't do it. I lost all my savings. Don't do what? What did you do? Braven87EK? What did you do? How could you lose all your savings? Wow, all of us, all three of us, we are all in for a fortune here. GJCM, what's going on? What am I gonna do? What's going on down there? Don't know if I lost it. Don't, but anyway, no idea what people are saying to me on TikTok. I get some funny comments on TikTok, as you all know.
Watch this IPO when it happens tomorrow, guys. Because when I've talked with executives in the auto industry, all of them say the same thing. This is the IPO to watch. If you were going to play one IPO in the EV autonomous space over the last couple of years, this was the one that they said you wanted to.
What's everyone's... I tell you what I'm interested in. What is everyone's position for tomorrow? What is everyone going to do? Let me have your opinions right now. This is my plan, and you always need to have a plan. That way you always invest confidently and you're not guessing it, and got to be flexible and go with the flow, like Dr. Smith said there. I will wait on Rivian. I have built a large position in Ford. Well, Ford, obviously, I'm an investor in Rivian. So that's not a bad way of doing it. In fact, that's a very good point, actually. I just thought about that. Because Ford's doing really well. What about Amazon doing? What's Amazon doing right now? Because Amazon are down, or they have been down. Okay, they're up today 2%. The last week they're up 8%. Okay, I sold out around about here, I think it was. Was it? When did I sell out? Doesn't matter. No point looking backwards. But I think it was. Yeah, 3,300. 3,000. Yeah, we've done all right. Up 9% on the month, but I'm still glad I sold out because I've been making more money with Lucid and Tesla than I would have been if I'd kept it in here. Because for the last month I would have made 9%. Yeah, okay, but Amazon are going to go up tomorrow. If Rivian goes up, and so will Ford, because they own 20% of Amazon own 20%. I'm not sure what the position of Ford is. I know they're heavy investors, but I don't know. I'm excited to see what happens. Yeah, so am I. I've put in an order for the IPO on SoFi. Yep, Dr. Smith is ready for that. And we are very lucky to have Dr. Smith because he has put an order in. I don't know if anybody else has done so. I haven't because I want to keep everything on Robinhood so I can show you what I'm actually doing. If I have another brokerage, it gets all confusing. My total portfolio won't be accurate. I don't want to do that, even though it's costing me money to do that, because I could have got a pre-IPO, maybe. No guarantee, of course. But do you know what? Look at Amazon. Amazon has not had a great deal of growth over this last year. Look, since what, 300? If we look at it over the last year, 10%. Wouldn't be bad, you know, to buy some Amazon. Ford owns 12%. 12% is it? It wouldn't be a bad buy, you know, to buy some Amazon. Hey, Fizzy's here. How are you doing, Fizzy? Great stuff. If you're watching on the replay, subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Hey, I just thought, you know, Amazon's only had a 10% growth this year. Not very much at all. If you look at it, it's, you know, it's great over the last 5 years, but over the last year, it's only grown 10%. Amazon's going to do well if Rivian does well, right? Could be worth a go. Tesla's crashing. Let's have a look. No, Tesla won't crash at all. I don't see that. Let me open up Tesla in another tab. Hang on. I want to have a look at Tesla. You're saying it's crashing, are you? I don't see that. Let's have a look. No, Tesla's fine. This is all to do. This is all to do with Elon Musk. All this is Elon Musk did the thing on Twitter. Did you all see it? Did you all watch it on the show yesterday? It was over the weekend. He tweeted that he would sell 10% of his Tesla shares. And everyone's freaking out. It's all to do with, they're saying it's to do with paying his tax bill and blah, blah, blah. But I actually feel it's got nothing to do with that. I think it's got everything to do with tomorrow's, to upset Jeff Bezos. Him and Elon Musk are always going at heads with each other to become the richest man in the world. And I honestly think it's got everything to do with... It's a bit of a publicity stunt. It is totally, absolutely, totally agree, because this stock's going to go back up again. This is just an opportunity to make some money. Whether you buy dips, whatever it is, is it going to go down more? When Elon Musk sells, it will go down 20-30%, and it will pop right back up again, because everybody will buy the dips, including me. I bought one this morning. It went down like 6%, didn't it, or something? And I bought one more share. Now it's down 12%. It's all to take money out of the Rivian IPO. I think it's got nothing to do with paying his tax bill. This is Elon Musk, right? He doesn't need to sell his shares to pay his tax bill. How ridiculous a statement is that? I think it's got everything to do with the IPO tomorrow and publicity. Because if the price drops, people are buying the dips. They've got no money to spend on Rivian. I mean, I've done it myself. I've just bought a share of Tesla. I've now got $4,000. I had like nearly 6,000 at one point, but I've been buying dips, so I've got less money to invest in Rivian. Very clever, Mr. Musk. It's got nothing to do with his taxes. Robinhood. Still down, and look, and you notice as well, I don't know if you've noticed the correlation between Lucid and Tesla. They go hand in hand. Have you noticed that? When Tesla does well, Lucid does well, because it just brings confidence and investment to the market. I'm not really sure if he is going to do it. He's not. Well, he said he would honor his Twitter followers. Hey, look, if he does, the price will. Of course, when you own that amount of shares and you can manipulate the market, right? He'll sell here. It will drop 30%. He'll buy them back again. And it will go up again. So it's a great publicity stunt. Elon Musk, remember, Elon Musk sold his, doesn't have a big posh house. I think he sold his house. He doesn't care about money. He cares about creating and inventing stuff for the future. He doesn't worry about money. He doesn't really care. He's not really bothered. He gave the whole world the opportunity to have his patents. His patents are license free, right? So everyone can copy what he's doing. And he's asked people to do it. He's not bothered about making money. He couldn't care less. Do you know Elon Musk, other than Dogecoin, he doesn't even invest. He doesn't buy shares in Apple and Amazon. Doesn't even care. I think it's great. I think it's hilarious. What a great way to live. I think I live a bit like that. I'm more interested in you guys having a good time than what my portfolio's doing. As long as I got food in my belly, I feel like I'm a rich man. I couldn't care less. And I probably should, but I don't. I'm perfectly happy with what we got. What's going on? Anyway, and let's not forget is upcoming Starlink IPO. Oh, do we know when that's going to be? Starlink. Next year. Oh, man. Starlink is going to be even better than Rivian, because it can be the global internet of the whole world, bringing the whole world together. Absolutely great. If you're over on TikTok, You're missing everything. If you're 90% of the traders, 90% of the TikTokers just scrolling through, stay where you are, carry on scrolling. But if you're one of the traders that want to be part of today's show, see my trading screens, talk to my traders, click on the icon, click on the icon again, and then go to the YouTube link. All right? You want to be part of that. Okay, let's have a look. Tesla is still dropping. If we go to the app, you can see it. Still dropping right now. We're down nearly another 1% in the after hours. It's not going to let me out. It's like the perfect storm. Do you remember when George Clooney said it's not going to let us out? It's not going to let me out because I wanted to take a little drop and pop back up again and make a little profit. If I'd have made $100 on it, it's a couple of free shares, you know, somewhere. But unfortunately, it's not letting me do that. It's continuing to drop. So, but I don't mind owning another bit of Tesla. I have no problem with that at all. You can see what I'm doing here. I'm looking at Amazon, thinking I might buy a piece of Amazon. Even if he sells 10%, he will still be the majority owner. Of course he will. He'll buy it back anyway, won't he? Of course he will. What does everyone think about Amazon as an investment right now? I'm thinking, see, look, I made some money with this. In fact, look, I sold at 3,390. Yeah, it's up. It's popped up 200. Yeah. Do you know what? I quite fancy having a bit of Amazon. Amazon will pop in the morning. What do you reckon? Baby Games saying should do it. Baby Games is saying go on. I think you should do it. I do think actually Amazon will do well. Amazon will do well. It's been very slow recently. There's not been a lot going on with Amazon, but over this last month, up 9%. If you look at it, if you look at the year, they've only been up 10% over a whole year. There's no growth there. Look at that. Look at it. Really, for a year, doing nothing. Amazon's going to expand, right? As you get a lot better, as you could get a lot better when you sell it. I don't own Ada, no. I'm going to buy some Amazon. I might buy some Amazon right now. I've only got 4,000 left. I want all that. Do you know what? I think I know what I'm going to do. I don't know. I'm thinking of... I'm looking at my Tesla, and I'm thinking I might take a $50 loss. It hasn't popped back. I'm thinking of selling... Save it for tomorrow. Yeah, but tomorrow Amazon will be up. See, we can't buy Rivian till tomorrow after the pop, but we can buy Amazon, and Amazon will pop after. This is a good like insider thing if you think about it. This is like trying to buy this is like insider trading. Think about it for a minute. Tomorrow Amazon will pop because of Rivian, but you can buy it now. He said that 3 times now. Save it for tomorrow. Do you know? See, I will buy Tesla. Let me think. I paid, what did I, 1,016. I paid... what did I pay for Tesla today? Look at my history. Look at my history. I paid 1,076. 1,076. So that's $60. I'm weighing this up now. I'm looking at... it says LOL. Don't do it! I'm shouting at the screen. Thinking... I'm doing some calculations now. Virgin Galactic... I've got a lot of profit here in Virgin Galactic, even though my overall portfolio's down. I've made some money throughout the day. In fact, we're up $500 today. I think Tesla... I think Tesla will pop in the morning as well. If Amazon will pop because of Rivian tomorrow, then Ford will do too. Yeah, it will. Don't you think Amazon's going to go up in the morning? Don't you think Amazon will go up in the morning? It's bound to, right? Right. Dollars. $1,000. What do you reckon? $1,000 on Amazon. Review order. If Amazon will pop because of Rivian tomorrow, then Ford will do too. Yeah, I would say it. What do you think? All right, everybody. There it is. Should I click buy? $1,000 of Amazon. Look at the 5 days chart for both. I'm not going to look at the chart. I'm not going to look at the chart because it's up. They popped already. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. There's been no growth with Amazon for ages. I mean, they're up 8%. 8%. I don't think 8% is where it's at. I think there's a lot more growth in that. Amazon, see, Amazon, you got to remember, Amazon are in on the pre-IPO price, right? And when this blows up tomorrow, that's on their books, right? It's on their balance sheet. I've got $1,000 there. Should I buy it? Let's have a vote. Right, I'm hovering right over the buy. $1,000. Who thinks Amazon's going to go up tomorrow with Rivian? Let's have a vote. Should I buy $1,000 of Amazon right now? What's everybody think? You've gone very quiet, guys. What's going on? Why is no one talking to me? What do you think we should do? Do your math debate in the shower. Do your math debate in the shower. Oh, I get some fun people, don't I, on TikTok. If you are a serious trader and you actually want to talk to real traders and see the trading screens I'm talking about and I'm looking at, you can't see any of it. Click on the profile. Click on it again, and then click on the YouTube. I vote no. Right, Amazon is a company you can own for a life. It is in my long-term investment. Yeah, I agree. You can never lose with Amazon, right? You might have to wait for a while though, because it's been pretty slow. Dr. Smith says no. It's completely flat. Have I only got one vote? 100 GGS says no. 100 GGS says no on TikTok. I don't know if anybody on Facebook is commenting. I will start buying fractions of Amazon. It's worth owning. I have no shares currently, just crypto. Okay, Matt. I have Bitcoin, but it's the most stable part. In fact, it's the best. It moves and is in between. Okay. I said Ford. Martin said Ford. No, I'm not going to buy Ford. I'm not going to buy Ford. I don't think Ford understand the future. I think Amazon certainly do. All right. This will take me down to 3.5 grand. I'm going to buy it. There it is. Are you ready? Buy. Done. Okay. I have $1,000 worth of Amazon. And the moment you buy it, it drops. Always. That always happens, doesn't it? I don't think I've ever bought anything that's immediately gone up. It's always down. How much was a share? A share is 3,576. So I bought $1,000 worth. So I've got now 0.279508. If you come into YouTube, you can see it. You can't see it on TikTok. TikTok is for people scrolling through looking for naked ladies. If you want to look at my trading screen, talk to my traders, and be a serious trader and be part of the family, the community, supporting, learning together, come over to YouTube. The link is in the profile. Click here, click the icon, and then click the YouTube link. All right, there we go. Anyway, I've done it. My 16-year-old son builds games on Roblox all day. That is worth looking at. Build games, get paid, not just a kid's game. Check RBLX. Shall we have a look at that? RBLX. Roblox. Roblox. There we go. How long's this been out? Oh, it's a new one. New company. It IPO'd in this year. That's done well recently. I'll put that in my list to research. Thank you very much indeed for that information. I shall put it in my new ideas. And there we go. That's done pretty well, isn't it? The last this last week. Look at that. That's some growth, isn't it? Roblox. Thank you very much indeed, Matt, for that information. Great stuff. You were talking about crypto. My only investment in crypto is Bitcoin. I think it's all you need to own. This is my crypto, if you like. It's like the metaverse. Oh, the metaverse. That's an interesting thing, isn't it? Is anybody into the metaverse? What's everyone think about that? Tesla's just down slightly a bit more. We've got... Oh, time's up. I didn't realise the time. Got to get ready for the drive home show. For those of you that not joined me before, let me introduce you to my studio. This is where I go live every day. I'll start pumping some haze now, get it all going. Every day we have a beer. We celebrate the day, and boy, we're going to celebrate today because we're all getting ready for a very exciting day. Here in the studio, live right now, in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to be here singing your favourite songs, and I'm going to do a few songs for Musanella. It's his birthday. I'm going to do a bit of, what's your favourite music, Musanella? I'm going to do something for him. So if you want to join us in a few minutes' time, I will share with you right now the channel where you need to go. All right, you're on the Day Traders channel right now. This is where you are. Okay, here's the homepage, and as you can see, look, there it is. There's the Martyn Lucas channel right there. You click on it, and you go there. Look, upcoming live stream, just like the Day Traders show, based exactly the same. And you click on there, look, and you will see that we are getting ready in 26 minutes from now. We'll be live. Elton John, bit of Queen. All right. I'm big in it. All right. Queen and Elton John. We'll do some. Right. I'll tell you what. Let's have a bit of fun. Someone click on that. Let me give you the link to it and leave a little comment. All right. So I'm going to get ready for that now. So I'm going to end the show in about a minute's time. There's the link in case anyone hasn't got it. But it's very, very easy. All right. We'll be live in 25 minutes. Fantastic. All right. Well, that's it, folks. There we are. I've invested in Amazon again. I've re-entered Amazon. And where's my mouse gone? There it is. I've reinvested in Amazon, and very excited about that. Once again, back into Amazon. I was out with it for a while, but I'm back in again. Tesla, just trading sideways. Made some money with Virgin Galactic, which is great. Could get a bit of an extra pop tomorrow. I think tomorrow is going to be a very, very exciting day for everyone. So, thanks for joining me. And I look forward to seeing you all in 20 minutes' time in the studio when we get ready to rock and roll for Musanella's birthday, Elton John and some Queen. And don't forget, you've all got a mug coming, courtesy of Musanella on his birthday as well. He's sending everybody a mug. Thank you for pointing out RBLX. Yes, I've added it to my ideas. It could be interesting. It's up 42% today. Could be interesting. I'm big in Meta. Oh, there we go. We got the smoke ready to go. There you go. The studio's all ready to go. I'm gonna go and grab a beer and get myself ready to have a bit of fun. Come and join us if you want to sing happy birthday to Musanella, rocking out with some Queen and some Elton John. All right, we'll do that. Everybody on TikTok, thanks for joining me. If you click the profile here, come to YouTube, you can find the live concert we're going to do on my YouTube channel. All right, that's great. All right, that's it from me. Get ready for the morning. Let's all be here nice and early, ready to go. Get your money ready. I've already spent some of it. Enjoyed that. Thank you, folks. Matt, great. Thanks for being here. I think your first time, right? We're here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell, and we're about to have some fun. Matt, do you like some live music? Do you fancy a beer joining me? All right, I've got to go. I'll see you back in a minute, or not the morning. Okay, so there we go. See you all back in a bit. Yep, cheers. If you want to make a request, come and join me and I'll do some music for you. See you back in just 20 minutes and then see you back in the morning. Good luck for Dr. Nathan Smith, who has got a pre-order for Rivian. Hopefully he'll be with us in the morning and sharing whether he got the price. Then we'll know what it's going to open up at, and I hope he gets his pre-order, because if he does, he'll make some money in the morning, and maybe he can buy us all a Martyn Lucas cap to go with the Martyn Lucas mug. I'll see you all back in the morning or in 20 minutes. Take care of yourselves and each other.